Hey student, something a little different for you. There is a fundamental truth about English. Meaning matters more than grammar. We have millions and millions of people speaking English, natives and non-natives speaking English. And of course, we listen and we see mistakes, grammar mistakes. So for example, we have a sentence like, she goes to the movie yesterday. Of course, we know it's wrong. The correct should be, she went to the movie yesterday. But in this case, for example, meaning matters more than the perfection, which is a perfect grammar. Because we are just communicating something. So, of course, you understand that she went to the movies. And then you think, why didn't she say, I went to the movies yesterday, or she went to the movie yesterday, okay? So, that's the fundamental truth. Meaning is more important than perfection, okay? Think about it. Of course, it's not an excuse for you to make mistakes, but when you're talking to someone, do not judge this person, okay? Because we all make mistakes. Have a good day.